si Jinggoy.
Yeah.
Alam namin yan, kaming mga mananampalaya ng JIL, alam namin yan. Pag kinulong ka, you're not guilty. Ano nangyari? Kahit pa sabihin may kasalanan ka, may sangkot ka sa konting nakawan, okay lang. Kasi nanalig ka, sumang-ayon ka sa nakararami sa mga Pilipino na naniniwalang merong kahayupang nangyayari sa kaba ng bayan. Ngayon, ano ginawa mo? Yung spiritual lift na nasa akin dati, ngayon nawala. So, I'm still attending Christian churches, pero not JIL anymore. Ilang dekada akong naniwala.
Kaya, dismayado. Sabi dito, yung caption niya is, JIL members are leaving the church due to 13th Judas in the Philippines Senate. Philippine Senate, Joel Villanueva. Oh. Pakinggan natin siya.
Ano, Joel? Masaya ka na? Ligtas ka na? Hindi ka na ikukulong? Grabe ang ginawa mo sa epekto ng church. I've been in the church since I was 18.
18 pala. 18.
Mag-65 na ako.
18.
Pumunta lang ko rito sa UK kaya ako na-stop ng pag-attend dyan. Pero lagi kong binibida ang JIL Church. Sabi ko, one time babalik ako dyan. Kasi yan ang church na nagbigay sa akin ng spiritual uplift. Ngayon, ano ang ginawa mo? Sabi nga nila, Camille at Marcoleta, masahol pa sa Judas yung tatalikod sa kanila. Anong ginagawa mong, ano yung sinasabi mong magtatrabaho na lang, magtrabaho? Iba yon. You're the one who started exposing the corruption years ago. Humanga ako sa'yo nun. Pero ngayon, nasa na? Totoo man yun o hindi, nabahagang buntot mo. Mas masahol ka pa kay Judas. Ngayon, sabi ko, ng araw na nakita kong bumaliktad ka, niyakap-yakap mo sila Risa, Untiveros, sila, yung mga minority black dati, kaya Chalian black, nangilabot ako. Second time, napaiyak ako. Unang napaiyak ako yung time na dinakip si tatay, dinala sa ICC si tatay Digong. Ito yung pangalawa, napakasakit. Bilang born again Christian, nakakahiya yung ginawa nyo. Ewan ko kung yung sinasabi ni Brother Eddie na sundin mo yung konsyensya mo. Sabi ko, okay to. Kasi yung sinasabing konsyensya, you know, in your heart, kung ano yung tama o mali. Hayagan yung pagnanako ng mga buwaya. Kaliwat kanan, up and down, mga maletagan, halatang halata yung pagnanakaw, kitang-kita, mga mata natin sa mga ginagawa nila, sa sinasabi nila, sa mga ebidensya. Hindi kami tanga para hindi namin maramdaman yung talagang pagnanakaw sa kaba ng bayan. Joel, alam mo yan. Kasi natatandaan ko, years ago, ikaw unang nagsiwalat niyan, nag-expose ng nakawan. Pero siguro, siguro dahil sa, I don't know if you're involved now in the corruption, siguro not in maletagang, maybe sa mga maliliit na corruption bilang senador, or baka natakot ka na ikulong ka, natakot ka na mamagshot ka. Alam ng mga tao, pagka kinulong ka, pinakita yung mugshot mo, we know na hindi ka gano'n, na hindi ka isa sa kanila, magiging hero ka, parang si Jinggoy.
Yeah.
Alam namin yan, kaming mga mananampalaya ng JIL, alam namin yan, pag kinulong ka, you're not guilty. Ano nangyari? Kahit pa sabihin may kasalanan ka, may sangkot ka sa konting nakawan, okay lang. Kasi nanalig ka, sumang-ayon ka sa nakararami sa mga Pilipino na naniniwalang merong kahayupang nangyayari sa kaba ng bayan. Ngayon, ano ginawa mo? Yung spiritual lift na nasa akin dati, ngayon nawala. So, I'm still attending Christian churches, pero not GIL anymore. Ilang dekada akong naniwala. Ewan ko lang yung mga hinti Brother Eddie na sinasabi niya. Sundin ang konsyensya. Sabi ko, okay to ah. Kasi yung sinasabing konsyensya, alam natin kung ano yung tama o mali. We can distinguish the right to wrong. Ano ginawa mo? Naduwag ka. Naduwag ka or baka sangkot ka, pero it doesn't matter kung nasangkot ka man sa mga konting nakawan, maliliit na halaga lang, okay lang, mapapatawad ka namin. Kasi
Yan. Pangatlong member na ito na matapang na salita o nag-expose, nagpayag sa social media. Una si Miss Cataleya, nabasa ko. Sabi niya, aalis na ako sa GIL. I have been GIL member since more than 20 years na. 1999 siya na-baptize dahil dismayado siya sa ginawa ni Joel Villanueva. Mas takot ka pa, bahala na ang Diyos sa iyo, sabi ni Cataleya. Wala ng Diyos sa iyo, alam ng Diyos. Mas takot ka pa kay Jesus Crispin kaysa sa Jesus na naipako sa krus para sa iyo. Yung isa, Grace Luxin, ganun din, dismayado. Nakakaya maging born again. Ganun. Yung mga kaibigan kong Christians, born again Christians dito sa Mindanao, sabi ng isang bishop, no amount of explaining can do the damage. Damage has been done. Kasi nagpapaliwanag trabaho lang daw. Anong trabaho? So agree ako dito kay Madam Ami Banyares. Natakot, as in natakot. Ayaw niyang makulong. Kasi kung tumindig siya sa prinsipyo niya, makukulong siya, kagaya ni Senator Jinggoy. Ngayon, dahil bumaliktad siya, number 13, kasi sa grupo ng Panginoon, di ba, 12 apostles plus Panginoon, di 13? O yun, pang 13 siya, yun, ligtas. Kaya sino ba yung nagsabi kanina na si Attorney Edward Chico, sabi niya na, Senator Joel ang patunay na kapag tinanggap mo si Jesus Crispin na yung tagapagligtas, ay ligtas ka nga. Yung kaso mo nawala na.
Anyone can answer po.
Okay. In my, sa family ko naman po, attorney, I've been a mom and a wife for the past how many years? 20 plus years. So feeling ko naman, my family, my son and my husband would understand na kahit, ayun nga, accept ko na rin, nasa golden era na ako, na this is my time to shine. I felt na I gave all my time and energy and love for them. So it's about giving love din, pabalik naman sa akin. Self-love.
Yun naman.
So, ayun, yun lang po.
Yes, Ma'am Tess, ikaw, how do you balance?
In my case, I am a natural multitasker.
Okay.
True beauty
I
queen.
also balance and then I prioritize also. Versus yung, syempre, yung I don't waste time as well. That's why resilient pa rin ako. O, maski gaano ka-busy yung aming
Ayun.
For me, there's a guilt feeling because I'm a hands-on mom to my kids. We don't have yaya.
Talaga?
Yes po.
Di ba mahirap yun?
Because I want to develop the personality of my kids na hindi nila makuha sa iba but for me. So me and my husband, we agreed that we are hands-on on them. So pag busy ako, he's the one who's at home. Pag busy siya, I'm the one at home.
So yayo pala siya.
Yes. Yaya and yayo siya.
Yayo.
And they're very supportive, but there's a feeling that pag umuwi ako after the events, my kids tatabi sa akin. They would hug me. Ayaw nang umalis, binubuhat ko na. I play with my son. My son has autism. So I play with him until 1 a.m.
Wow.
Kasi yung namin yung usually routine namin that I always play with him. So he misses it. And then, pag umuwi ako, kahit sobrang pagod na ako kasi you're gonna practice with heels, events with heels. So,
Ay, nako.
pag uwi ko is that I have to have the energy na to play with him. Kasi I want them to know na even I'm busy right now, I would still have time. They are my priorities. Because before I joined the business universe, I'm also busy with advocacies, with my clinic, with our businesses. But I always make sure that there's always time for them. If they
Yun.
need me, they are my priority.
Yun. Talaga. Iba talaga ang mom eh. No?
Iba talaga.
Take heed ah. Ina, pag
Yes.
naging mom ka, kung paano.
Isa na akong ina. Ina. Yes. So, para sa inyo po, ano po ang tunay na, na kahulugan ng pagiging isang Mrs. Universe Philippines? Para sa inyo.
For me, being a queen comes with responsibility. It
Tama.
is not just a crown. A crown is just a symbol. But when you put a crown with a voice, with advocacies, with commitment, consistency, humility, and responsibility, you would able to know na ganito na pala kalaki ang impact niya. Because if I would be blessed with the crown, there's a responsibility na kailangan I would be a voice to those unheard,
Yes.
and then influence and also have a meaningful impact,
Wow.
especially sa maraming nanonood po na about beauty queens with the heart and with the brain.
Confidently
So
beautiful
iba yung
with the heart.
iba yung nila
Parang alam ko
expectations
yata
na
yun,
with you.
Kay Pia. How about you, Ma'am
Yes,
Teresa?
yes.
For me, this is a perfect time for me to be heard. Kasi it is a platform that mas naririnig ang boses mo. Actually, katulad nito, kung hindi ako naging candidate, wala ako dito, hindi ba? So for me, it was also parang platform, yun nga, or daan para marinig kami.
In my case, Mrs. Universe for me is women. Women with grace and purpose.
Yes.
So, hindi natatapos sa pagiging maganda sa labas, but yung sa loob mo talaga. And I'm here talaga to be the face and the voice of all the special moms nga na pag nakita nila ako sa TV, uy, special mom din ako. Kahit busy ako sa anak ko, mag-therapy and all, kaya pa rin pala. So, just keep on believing na yung mga dreams nyo rin po, kaya nyo ma-achieve.
Okay, mukhang kayang-kaya naman eh. Pero talagang alam natin, Ina, na very taxing, ano?
Yes.
Itong ganitong, sabi nga ni Ma'am Teresa, natural multitasker siya. Pero, eto, may question ako. Theoretical ito, ha? Kung kayo ay magkakaroon ng isang superpower, anong superpower ang gusto niyo magkaroon? Just one. Let's start from here. Pag ganun tayo, para
Okay po.
maganda.
Attorney, siguro sa akin, since children with Down syndrome, 50% of them are born with congenital heart disease. So, yun talaga yung nagiging advocacy ng organization namin to have a open heart surgery sa mga kids na ito so they can live their life. Minsan kasi sinasabi na short lang yung lifespan nila because of that heart defect. So, siguro ang superpower ko is a healing hand.
Yun.
Kung kaya ko bang hawakan ng mga puso nila and by that simple touch, magko-close yung mga butas sa puso nila and then they can live normally din po with other children. Yun po.
Ma'am Teresa,
Ako, kung pwede nga lang, maging parang King of Midas, yung pag nag-touch ako, gold na. Para lahat tayo
Pa-touch naman ito, oh.
Diba? Hindi na kayo, para hindi na tayo kailangan talagang magtrabaho ng bongga. So, yun nga, but yun nga,
may ganyan ang na-inventong touch, ah.
meron ganyan.
Oo, maging congressman, di na kailangan magtrabaho ng bongga, may maleta.
Wish lang.
How about you, ma'am?
For me, I would choose time.
Ay,
Kasi
time.
ang hirap i-control ang time eh. You never
You
know
can't.
what is the future. So, pag may time kasi, can rewind. Kung meron war,
Yes.
we can rewind it. And kung may suffering with the kids, especially I'm an autism mom also, we can also rewind it.
Yes.
So we can have the power to change the world with time. So even to myself, pag merong mga sufferings or may mangyayaring hindi maganda, I would like to change it through time.
Yan, ang mga
you know.
sufferings. Diba sabi nga nila 3 stages sa marriage? Diba? Engagement ring, wedding ring, suffering.
Suffering. Now, I'm curious po, sino po ang role models nyo? Or role model? Or inspirasyon nyo sa pagsali po sa Mrs. Universe Philippines? Anyone?
Ako basically talaga, and honestly, si Mother Queen, Ma'am Chara Laude. Kasi she was the one who really convinced me. Kasi at first, I was at the stage of denial na, Mother, wag mo ko isali dyan. Hindi ako kasing tangkad nila, kasing sexy nila. But sabi niya, Joy, you are a queen.
Oo.
Kumbaga, you represent all the special moms and you embrace that. Being the advocacy queen, to be the voice, sabi niya, you just have to believe in yourself na kaya mo yan. So, siya yung parang feeling kong fairy godmother ko na nagtupad ng wish ko na kahit medyo late na dumating. Kasi bata pa talaga ako, mahilig po talaga ako sa mga beauty queens na nanonood ako ng mga pageants, ganyan. And I thought, hindi talaga na siya magiging totoo. So, what I did, yung sa daughter ko na may special, sinasali ko siya sa lahat ng mga pageants. So, as early as now, she's 16, she has 3 crowns and 3 sash already. So, parang feeling ko, kota na ako, attorney, na yung aking dream, nagawa na ng anak ko. But, ayan, si Lord gave me and provided me another platform na yung dream ko naman daw ang tutuparin niya. Because I did my job to be a special mom to my daughter.
Ayun, ako
Walang-
mahilig din ako sa
and
beauty
embrace
queens
it.
kaya lang wala silang hilig sa akin.
Walang
Oh,
imposible
Ma'am
kay
Teresa.
Lord.
Well, sa akin yung nakikita kong pinaka-greatest na beauty queen na nakita ko na nanalo ng Miss Universe is si Catriona Gay. Her heart is pure and sincere, and then yun, her voice, and then tsaka natural yung pagtulong niya sa mga mahihirap.
Oh.
Yan din ang sabi ni Sam Milby, di ba?
Ikaw, ma'am.
Dr. Tomo,
It is not about who it's about the idea. What if ako, kasi this is my heaviest body what if I join the business universe with the people around me, because they know me, I'm an introvert, hindi lang halata, but they know that but my close family and my husband knows that I am introvert. Mahihain po ako kasi alam ko hindi naman ako photogenic. May mga
Parang hindi halata.
insecurities na
Hindi
gano'n.
naman halata. Oo.
So that's the idea. What if I join? Parang ako lang yung sa sarili ko, minotivate ko lang yung sarili ko. Na what if I join? Can I do this? And then of course the platform, because I wanted to elevate the autism awareness and also the holistic well-being. Kasi people listen sa magaganda, sa mga beauty queens.
kaya pala
That's-
maraming nakikinig kay Ina no?
Yes.
Oh, ikaw talaga.
That's why yun po yung idea that what if, and also of course I have 2 kids. I always choose to be the role model because I want my kids, lalo na my baby girl, will grow up na, my mother is a beauty queen, my mother has PhD, so parang ganon. So I wanted to build a legacy to the next generation that would be a reminder, regardless kahit medyo malaman ako, hindi ako photogenic, or ganon, I have 2 kids, I have autism child, you can still do what you want to do. It's never too late.
Tama.
Oo. That having been said, alam nyo, ang dami nang nabago sa mga pageants ngayon.
Yes.
Diba? There was a time na pag sinabi mo pageant, well, 16 to 26 years old, di ba? Or dapat single, slim, etc. Para sa inyo, anong nabago? Si Ma'am Joy, very interested siya sa mga pageants from, sabi mo, at a young age. From the time that you were observing pageants up to now, anong greatest change? At para sa inyo na kayo belongs to another category of pageants, Mrs. Universe, hindi Miss Universe or Miss Philippines or whatever. You're a little older, may ibang responsibility with respect to children. What are your greatest challenges with respect to beauty pageants now?
Ako, attorney, siguro this is the first na masasabi natin na usually pag pageants, you represent a city. So I think this is the first time that they allow a charity organization such as Little Brave Hearts to be represented in a beauty pageant. So yun nga, siguro nung mga kabataan ako, talagang pag sumali ka talagang makikita mo na you just spend time and practices okay na. But now the pageants talaga super level up in terms of costume, yung mga video nila, damit, yung time and energy mo minsan kahit anong ka-multitasking mo, minsan talagang kailangan ng glam team. Yun na po ang isa sa mga
volunteer
legal na
ako doon, sa
requirement.
glam team mo.
Kasi ang daming mga charity works, mga visits. It's very exhausting. So, minsan it helps kung may mga friends ka around to help you, especially if you don't have a glam team. So, yun, maraming mga challenges. Like, in my case, this is the first time na wear ako ng mga pageant heels na mga 6 inches. So, it's a challenge yung nagpasarela kami. But at the end of the day, sabi ko, kakayanin ko ba? If it's too tasking for me, kung di kaya, and then mahirapan ako. At yung worry ko na baka madapa ako sa stage. Diba?
Wait, Teresa, is this also your first time?
Yes.
Na sa pageant?
Yes.
So, anong greatest challenge mo nung sumali ka?
One of my greatest challenge, of course, monetary kasi I don't want to spend that much. Kasi ako, ang prinsipyo ko, as much as possible, DIY, para-paraan ako.
Okay.
So, ayokong gumastos ng kasi money-wise nga, I am known as Miss Money-wise. So,
Okay.
very, practical.
Yes.
So, I don't spend much over, nonsense. Kailangan talagang may worth kung gagastos mo.
May follow-up question ako just for Teresa.
Yes.
Eto, kung papipiliin ka, ordinaryo lang ang iyong kabuhayan pero kamukha ka ni Catriona Gray. Or multi-billionaire ka pero kamukha mo si Representative Jervil Luistro. Anong pipiliin mo?
Syempre, yung kamukha niya, ni Catriona.
Ang bilis ng sagot Hindi na nag-isip talaga.
Syempre, maski maghirap ako basta kamukha ni Catriona Gray. Kasi ang beauty, maski pwede pa rin umangat. Diba? Ma-elevate. Oo, maski mukha kang mahirap, kung maganda ka,
So parang sinasabi nyo na rin po na
effortless.
Oo, yan.
Na
Wala
kahit
naman tayo
mayaman
sinasabing
ka.
hindi maganda si Representative Luistro, pero gano'n na nga. Oo. Dr. Tomo, ang greatest challenge.
For me, it's the greatest challenge, I must say, is that siguro nag-culture shock lang ako. Kasi
bakit?
this is my first time to join the pageant. So marami pa ako hindi alam, ganon. So parang ngayon lang ako nag-heels ng ganito kataas. So parang kasi when I was in the clinic, iba kasi yung get up ko, iba yung dress ko, and people that I work with. Dito naman, syempre, pag nasa pageant ka, beauty queens, woman of substance, you would learn a lot. But I really enjoy the journey with the Mrs. Universe Philippines because you will able to meet women with substance. So lahat sila, they have their own story and you will learn a lot from each other.
Tama.
So, ang ganda lang, regardless kahit anong physical traits mo, you are all beauty queens with substance,
Yeah.
with,
Tama.
with values. Yes.
Yes. Okay, now that you've mentioned about beauty, curious po ako, how do you define beauty? Ano po ang tunay na kahulugan ng beauty para sa inyo po?
Na-mention ko na kanina, it's not just the outside, it's really what's in your heart. To be able to inspire others na kaya mong gawin, kaya mong magkaroon ng impact sa society. Like, in my own little way sa charity works ko, pag nakikita kong may mga parents na depressed, hindi kaya i-accept yung condition ng anak nila, I really try to talk to them and give them free counseling kasi pinagdaanan ko rin yun. Like, especially now, my daughter is 16 years old. So, feeling ko ay nasurpass ko na yung stage na denial, di ba? nila, bargaining, lahat ng yon. So, yun lang, magkaroon ng may matulungan na pamilya. That's true beauty for me. Kasi they will remember yun na during their lowest stage sa life nila, may tumulong at naging concern para i-lift up yung spirit nila.
Mrs. Teresa?
Beauty fades, but the purpose in your life, it is a legacy that you can leave.
Yes,
Very well
short
said.
but impactful. Ganda.
Oh.
Miss?
For me, beauty, it's definition of beautiful mind, beautiful heart, beautiful character. So marami siya for me about beauty. Kasi when I went home daily, I assess myself kung ano bang klaseng beauty ang nagawa ko sa sarili ko for this day. Was I able to influence other kahit one soul a day? Was able to help and motivate? Because I want to have a legacy. A legacy that will be remembered that you are an effective queen. So, lahat yung tinitignan ko, not only the physical traits of being beautiful, but of course, the beautiful mind, the heart, the character, everything. So that's for me is the definition of the real beauty.
Yan, oo. Hindi, ang ganda ng kanilang discussion, ano? Kasi sabi nga nila, beauty is only skin deep. Pero kung yung kapangitan, tagos hanggang buto. Anyway, speaking of... Hindi, for instance, may kausap kayong isang foreigner. Nagtatanong, what is a Filipina? What is a modern Filipina? In siguro mga 3 or 4 sentences, how would you describe to this foreigner kung ano ang present day na Filipina? Yes, let's start with Dr. Tomo.
For me, being Filipina is very committed with the relationship. Kasi that's what I notice with my, of course, Filipina friends. When they love, they give it all. They value you more. They tend to forget themselves. Lalo na pag mga housewife, syempre pag makikita mo sila, bigay todo sila sa mga asawa nila,
so
sa mga
true.
anak nila. And I really give them ang galing talaga ng pagiging Filipina mom. So yun ang isa sa mga ipagmamalaki ko sa mga foreigners.
And Queen Teresa.
Yeah, since I am representing Quezon City, the city of stars, so ang ano ko is, we're like stars. We shine brightest in the dark.
Wow naman.
Wow.
And we stand strongest with purpose.
Yun, no?
Yun.
Yun, no?
Sa akin, Attorney and Ina, Filipinos are known sa international talaga for being hardworking. Kaya pag sinabing DH at saka nurses, talagang gusto nila Filipino. But now, nag-level up na ang atin. Ang modern Filipino are described as true artists. Kasi mga singers, sa atin talaga, pag sinabing magaling kumanta, Pinoy. Pag sinabing pageant, di ba? Lagi tayo nasa top 10.
True.
So, beauty and artistry, modern Filipino. That's for me po.
Yan, very well said.
Oo nga. What makes a Filipina truly world-class po for you, ma'am? Yung mga characteristics ng mga Filipina, talagang maipagmamalaki mo world-class.
For me, the resilience.
Resilience.
Yes, they can adapt. Pag lalagay mo siya, that's why if you notice around the world, there's a lot of Filipinos
Oo nga.
that can
tama.
overcome talaga, na talagang nagiging outstanding sila. Because when they are focused on something, they are best on it. So that's why I'm so proud that I am also half Filipino.
Oh, wow.
Ano ka pala, yung ano tawag doon?
Japanese.
Halfie ba?
Halfie.
Halfie, oo.
Mr. Rasa.
For me, alam niyo na yan lahat. 'Di ba? Pag may bagyo, may baha ka lang. Bagyo ka lang. Filipino ako.
Yun! Powerful.
Masaya.
Diba?
Diba?
Ako naman siguro sa tourism natin, Filipinos are well known for very, yung hospitality natin, always smiling. Kaya yung mga tourists natin, balik ng balik. Kasi sa atin talaga very much welcoming tayo sa kanila di ba? Pag may mga bisita, yung mga platong matagal mong tinatago, ilalabas mo talaga. We always bring the best for them.
Yes.
Kaya yun nga, talagang binabalikan tayo parate, attorney.
Anyway, at natanong ni Ina, yung sa world stage, bumalik naman tayo sa home front. Diba sabi ko nga kanina, halos lahat naman may nanay, ano? Ewan ko lang yung ibang mga congressmen, kung saan nanggaling. Pero, speaking of mothers, of course, you're all mothers now, but when, I hope lahat kayo buhay pa yung mga mothers nyo. Lahat ba kayo may mothers pa? You're lucky. I lost mine last January. But ito ang question ko. Sa mga values or traits na nakikita nyo sa inyong mga respective mothers, ano ang pinahahalagahan ninyo?
Beautiful question.
Something na hindi ko talaga makakalimutan sa nanay ko yung pagiging practical niya. Every time na nagre-request ako ng gusto kong bilhin nung mga estudyante ako, kahit lang ganun lumaki na ako, lagi niyang question sa akin, is that a wants or a needs? So parang yun ang parating magic question niya sa akin. Every time na may gusto kong bilhin or investment, sasabihin niya, wants lang ba yan or talagang needs? Pag needs, all out support siya. So sa mga decisions ka in life, pag sinabing needs, go talaga ako.
Go lang ng go. Okay. Mr. Reza.
In my case, it sounds cliche, but the unconditional love that my mother gave me. And from that, ako rin, binigay ko rin sa anak ko. 5 years ako nagpa-breastfeed. Ganon ang unconditional love na
5
binigay ko
years.
sa anak ko.
Blessed.
Wow,
That's
alam
why-
mo, may kasabihan sila unconditional love comes only from two sources. Your mother and your dog.
Oh my God.
Oo, unconditional love yung dog, di ba? Kahit minsan nasisipa-sipa mo na, mahal ka pa rin. Yes. at Dr. Tomo,
For me, I remember this when I was a child. Lagi sabi ng mama ko, always walk with faith in your heart. Kasi you never know what's future eh.
Tama.
So pag gusto mo siya, go for it. Give your best. Always walk with faith. Until now, yan pa rin ang laging isa sa mga values ko that I also want to pass with sa mga kids ko about walk with faith. Kung ano man yan, basta kung gusto mo at nasa tama ka naman, do it. Kahit hindi mo alam what future brings.
kaya
Tama.
tama. So,
Tama.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Tomo!
Miss Aquino.
Ngayon, since we've talked about nanays, eto may tanong po ako. Ano ang mas mahirap sagutin? Q&A question sa mga pageant o ang mga nanay nyo? Okay, ma'am.
Ako, when growing up, hindi ako pala sagot sa mommy ko.
Oh,
I'm a
good
very,
girl.
masunurin ako, kaya walang sakit ng ulo sa akin yung mommy ko sa akin.
Swerte niya.
Yes po, kasi that's for me, I want to be the best child for him. Kasi sa mga sacrifices ng nanay, na-appreciate ko lahat yon. That's why pag mommy ko nagsabi na ganito, it's the law. Sinusunod ko, kahit minsan mapapaisip ka, tama ba yung sinasabi ng mom ko or not? So parang ganon. So lumaki ako na sheltered din, na hindi ako palalabas. Kasi I never experienced going to a bar, school, na lang ako. Work.
That's admirable, ha?
School, bahay. Pati pagbo-boyfriend, hindi ko rin nagawa. Kasi
talaga?
sabi niya, tapusin mo muna yung pag-aaral mo. And then, tsaka ka na lumande.
Parang pala tayo, hindi rin ako nagka-boyfriend. Oo.
So, parang feeling ko mas madali ang Q&A than answering my mom because I never tried it.
Oh. How about you, ma'am?
My case, question and answer because it's very unpredictable. Katulad ngayon, very unpredictable lang ang mga questions nyo. Kinakaya na lang.
Caring naman.
Caring naman.
Yes, very
Rebels.
caring.
Oo.
So, yeah, predictable and yet you have to answer it with wit and grace. Yun.
Queen Joy.
Ako naman, I think, the Q&A in every pageant, carry naman, basta you answer it coming from your heart. Yung walang pretensions, walang to impress. You just have to express kung ano yung nasa isip at puso mo. And then, when it comes to my mom, hindi talaga na ako nasagot. Kasi pag sumagot ako, 10 beses ang balik yun. So, might as well keep quiet na lang.
I know the feeling.
Yun nga, as a sign of respect din sa kanila. And yun na lang, ano ko na lang sa sarili mo na this too shall pass. Mawawala rin ang init ang ulo nila. Kasi
Tama.
ngayon, naiintindihan ko ganun talaga minsan, it comes with age, di ba? Na laging mainit ang ulo. So, magpapas din yun. Tapos okay na kayo after.
Anyway, from mothers, let's go to children.
Ayun.
Eto, isa lang just one. Kung makakapili kayo, what value as mothers would you like to pass on naman
Yun.
to your children?
Beautiful question.
For my kids, I always tell them every time meron silang arguments, either sa classmates nila or sa friends, between choosing to be right and to be kind, choose to be kind. Yun ang parati ko sinasabi sa kanila.
Full of wisdom si Queen Joy. How about you, Ma'am Teresa?
Siyempre, yung faith and prayers also, kaya importante yon. And then everything, domino effect na yan eh. It will be a foundation of their character.
Wow.
I always tell to my kids, even to my husband, that I really want yung foundation ng family and relationship natin would be from integrity and walk with faith.
Yes.
Kasi I want them to grow up na alam nilang may integridad sila sa lahat ng gagawin nila. Always have integrity, passion, humility, love. Yan yung mga gusto kong values na talaga gusto ko ma-possess ng kids ko.
Eh kayo naman po bilang nanay, ano po ang pinakamahalagang natutunan ninyo bilang isang ina na gusto po nyong i-share sa mga viewers natin na nanonood,
nice,
na mga mothers? Ma'am.
Being nanay, talagang it takes a lot of patience and understanding. Talagang mapupush yung level of confidence din and level of creativity in terms of how do we parang i-educate yung mga kids kasi iba na ngayon yung
Yes.
generation ng mga kabataan. Sometimes when you tell them something, parang mas na pinaniniwalaan nila yung whatever their friends are saying or nandun sa social media. So, you need to be creative and letting them feel that you can trust, that they can trust
They can
you.
trust you.
So, ako ang level of relationship ko talaga sa mga kids is more of parang barkadahan na
Oh.
I'm here to listen.
Oh,
I'm
cool
here,
naman.
yes,
Cool
cool,
mom.
cool mom, yun po.
Yeah.
Para they can trust me and share then. Yun.
Cool and hot mom at the
Ay,
same time.
Ako tawag nila sa akin naman, cool cat. Kulang sa sukat.
Hindi naman, grabe ka. Kaya nga small. Small talk. Ma'am Teresa.
For me, I would like to teach yun nga, unconditional love pa rin. Oo, kasi yun talaga yung hindi mananakaw ng iba na pwede mong ibigay sa anak mo.
Tama.
Unconditional love. And then also, yung values, good conduct and right manners. Kasi it is also a foundation ng isang tao. From there, yun, domino effect, as what I've said, domino effect yun ang foundation ng character ng bata hanggang sa paglaki nila.
Tama. Ang unconditional love, hindi mo pwede ilagay sa maleta, kaya hindi mananakaw yun, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Understanding. Kasi I am a mom with autism child. So, iba yung mundo nila.
Grabe.
Compare sa mga typical kids. That's why I want to spread understanding and acceptance para naman belong din kami. Kasi pag, for example, your kid has different behavior, different yung outlook nila kasi iba sila mag-isip yung mga autism kids and other special needs na individuals. So kami din, parang nasasanay kami na ganyan yung kids namin. Pagdating sa other typical kids, na naninibago din kami. So parang for me, I want to be everyone na maging understanding and acceptance, hindi lang
Yes.
tolerated.
Oo, tama naman.
Anyway, natapos natin nanay, past generation, present, future generation. May hypothetical question ako sa inyong tatlo. Kung mayroon kayong bolang kristal,
Yun.
that you can ask any question about the future,
Yun.
anong gusto nyong malaman? Isang
Wow.
bagay lang na gusto nyong malaman na mangyayari sa future nyo. What would it be?
Galing.
Pwede sabay, kaya lang hindi magkakaintindihan.
Oo, mahirap yun.
Ako siguro sa bolang kristal, ang tatanungin ko ay, is there a chance na in the future mangyari uli ang COVID na nangyari sa atin? Yung pandemic na nagbago talaga ang buhay ng mga tao so that we can be prepared we can be prepared and ma-equip natin yung sarili natin kung may medicine na kaagad, di ba? So, yun lang. Sa akin kasi, attorney, prevention ang ko eh. So, kung mapiprevent yun, much better po.
Queen Teresa.
Sa akin, what will be the, the real cure or solution for us not to have war and conflict among
Parang
the
world
nation.
peace, ano?
World peace.
Kailan tayo magkakaroon ng world peace, in short?
Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, world peace tea eh.
Yes.
Puro ganun eh. Kainis? Okay, ma'am.
So I would like to have a selfish question for myself. What would
Okay lang yun.
this is personal. What would be
Okay.
the future of my son?
Hindi selfish
Hindi selfish yun kasi
That's not
you're a
selfish.
mom.
Yeah,
Lahat
kasi
ng magulang,
para sa-
baliwala yung sarili nila, basta una yung anak nila.
Oo.
Yes, because it worries me. It worries me because I have my autism son. So that's why. So,
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay, it's okay. We're all human.
Yes. Tissue.
so parang for me, it's the worry. That's why I'm working hard for awareness because I want to create a community or society that accepted sila and love so that when time comes, I'll be gone. I know there are people who will love them. That's why that's the future I want for them, yung mga special needs kids. Sorry na paiyak
It's
ako.
okay, ma'am.
Okay lang, it's okay, it's okay. You're showing us your soul and we appreciate it.
Yes. Isa po yung patunay na talagang iba magmahal ang isang ina. Kaya okay lang po yan.
Thank you for that wonderful
Full
question.
Yes. Okay na po kayo.
Buti hindi ako
Okay lang po kayo.
Okay
Tubig
lang
po
po
muna,
kayo.
tubig,
Water,
tubig muna.
water.
Okay.
Oo. Oh, well,
Thank you.
maybe you can ask questions sa iba muna habang nagre-recover
Oo.
si Dr. Tomo. Tomo. Naging
Itong next
Kristino.
question ko po. At the end of the day, it's nighttime. Charot. So at the end of the
Oo
day,
nga naman.
at the end of the day po, beyond the crown and titles, what truly matters to you most? Ikaw, ma'am. Ma'am Teresa. Ay, Ma'am Teresa. Ma'am, Queen
Ma'am
Joy.
Yes.
Queen Joy.
At the end of the day, after all the challenges, it's really yung peace of mind. Yung makatulog ka na alam mo wala kang inapakan, wala kang sinaktan, wala kang inutangan, at wala kang pinainit ng ulo. That for me is very important para makatulog
At
ka.
hindi ka rin nagnakaw sa gobyerno.
Yes, hindi ka nagnakaw sa gobyerno.
Oo, tama,
So,
tama.
kung world peace sa iba, ako talaga peace of mind.
Yes.
Na makakatulong ako nakangiti. Yun po.
How about you?
Teresa.
Queen Teresa.
Since ang advocacy ko is financial literacy, home ownership, and also breastfeeding awareness, I would like to remember me as that. So, it means legacy. Sana, legacy. Yun. Sana maalala nila ako bilang nanay na 5 years nagpa. And then,
5 years nagpaano.
Tapos nagpa-breast. Hindi, kidding aside, yung breastfeeding kasi, very yung topic na yan eh. Kasi yung ibang mga nanay, sabi, ay, wala akong gatas. Sa totoo lang, it should be start sa mga nanay dapat na gano'n. Kung sa ano mo, sa isip mo, sa katawan mo, kaya ko to, it will follow. And then, yung breastfeed milk, it is a liquid gold. At saka yung pinaka magandang pamana sa ating mga anak na it will last.
Alam mo, Ina, talagang yung breast milk, mas maganda yan kaysa doon sa dilata. Kasi yung container niya, mas maganda itsura eh.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay na ba si Queen Ninuko? Okay ka na ba?
Yes, thank you, attorney. For me, the meaningful impact as a queen. Ano ba yung na-influence ko? Ano ba yung message na na-send namin? Na-heard ba kami? So those are the things that talaga it runs in my mind. Whenever I get home, I lay in the bed after I pray, that I was able to influence and give a meaningful impact to the people.
All talk. Hindi ko na masabing yes, yung Topacio. Ano ba yan? Again, ako po si Atty. Ferdy Topacio.
And I'm not. I am Ina Sampang and they're not.
Oh, ang dami pa na nating mga
Oo
viewers
nga,
from all
grabe,
over the
attorney.
globe.
Ibang klase. So, i-greet natin yan, ang mga viewers natin from Fujairah, United Arab Emirates, Finland, Rome, Italy, and Germany. Wow, ang dami pala.
Sa Davao City
Oo.
at mga netizens all over the world sa mga taga Davao
Hello
ay
po sa inyo.
daghang salamat.
Maraming salamat
sa imong
po.
tanan.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok sa Small Talk.
At si Dr. Tomo yata will greet our viewers
Oo.
both in Japanese at
Sige nga.
Spanish.
Sample.
Konnichiwa and buenos dias.
Iyon, o, di ba?
Arigato gozaimasu.
Ang kinay, wakaranay, bansay nipon!
Yun, oh.
Anyway!
Oo nga. Alam mo po, ay, eto may question ako for Dr. Tomo. Since naging controversial topic po yung pagiging halfies.
Ay nga pala, happy
Oo,
siya,
diba?
di ba? Sabi nga ni,
Filipino.
pero sabi ni, di ba? Ni JPE, gusto ko happy ka.
Happy ka. Oh, at least happy na siya ngayon, attorney. Tignan mo naman ang smile, very charming. So for Dr. Tomo, what does being Filipino mean to you?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
You're welcome.
For me, since I am half Filipino and half Japanese, and most of my life talaga is here in Philippines.
Wow.
I love Filipinos. And syempre my friends, my co-queens are Filipinos. Na-admire ko talaga yung dedication nila. And I'm so proud being a Filipino because I know that may big heart sila. And they are very hospitable, resilient. So I really enjoy being here in Philippines and making friends with Filipinos.
Ano ba tawag sa mga half Japanese, half Filipino? Japino ba? Japino? O
Japino.
Old
Philjap.
Philjap.
Philjap po.
ba?
Philjap.
Okay.
Eh, yung Chinese-Filipino, attorney.
Wag na.
Wag na yun.
Wholesome tayo ngayon, wholesome
okay,
tayo
okay,
ngayon.
okay,
Oo.
okay. Beauty
Oh.
queen kasama natin eh.
Ako naman baka umiyak naman tong si Queen Joy, ha?
Oy, wag
Huwag
kang
kang
iyak, Joy.
promise, ha? Hindi,
Joy pa naman ang pangalan mo.
Oo, kasi nabanggit mo na rin na meron kang anak with Down syndrome, ano? Anong para sa'yo ang pinaka-common na, how do you say it in Tagalog? English na lang, misconception tungkol sa mga may Down syndrome?
Siguro ang pinakauna, attorney, yung nabanggit ko kanina na some of them hindi talaga yung lifespan nga is very limited because not all parents are aware na may heart condition sila, so hindi napapa-open heart surgery. So yun, they can live longer kung masasara lang yung mga butas sa puso nila. I have members and I have met other may Down syndrome na ka-age rin po, attorney, 60 plus.
Actually, I have a nephew na may Downs, yes.
Yes. So they can live longer. At yung isa po sigurong conception is they are always happy. So hindi po totoo yun. Meron din po silang times na malungkot sila, upset sila, especially kung may gusto sila tapos hindi naiintindihan ng mga kausap nila.
Yes.
And next is yung conception na forever baby sila, so pabigat sila sa community, wala sila mako-contribute. Again, hindi po siya totoo because we have a lot of adults na may Down syndrome currently working po. We have sa Shaky, sa South Star. Marami po kaming job inclusion projects that they can prove that they can be productive and contribute to the community po.
Alam mo si BBM may Down syndrome, ha? Down yung kanyang approval rating, negative 15, no?
It's a syndrome eh, no? Tama. Okay, ito naman next question natin for Queen Teresa, ang ating Mother Teresa. Since na-mention niyo po that you're an advocate for financial freedom, no? Isa rin po kayong businesswoman. Yeah, so how do you balance business, advocacy, and family life po?
As what I've said earlier, I'm a natural multitasker. And then also, syempre, I manage my time and then I prioritize. Yun. And then, kasi I also work at the same time. Not only yun nga, no. So, ang ginagawa ko nga, I value time. Katulad niyan, I'm always on time.
Yes, ang aga niyo nga po kanina.
So, yun nga, for being like that, if you respect also, the other people's time, it will be back. Ganun din ang
Tama.
magiging ano sa iyo.
Oh, ito, since marami pong Filipinos are dreaming of financial freedom, how do you personally define it po, yung financial freedom?
It is being, you are free from debt, and then you are parang you're living with a passive income. Katulad ko, ako ngayon, I have multiple mga, hindi naman sa pagmamalaki, yun, or nagpagbubuhat ng bangko, I have different portfolio of properties na nagbibigay sa akin ng positive income. So it means my properties works for me.
Yeah.
Not other
Yung mga
people
congressman
else.
natin, di lang portfolio, maleta. At saka passive income yun. Wala silang ginagawa. Dumadating na lang yung maleta. Anyway, may question ako kay Dr. Tomo.
sige,
Ito,
sige,
medyo
sige.
light naman. Di ba kanina nagbibiruan tayo, sabi natin nung di ba nag-blackout at tayo magre-resume, sabi natin i-blot, sabi na hindi, talagang natural aura ko yan, hindi
Yes.
yan na pawis.
The glow.
Ano bang skincare routine ninyo?
Grabe.
Ang ganda ng skin nyo, very soft, very smooth. At saka parang may inner light din na
Babe.
nagsashine. Can you share with us para matuto naman
Walang
kami? Magaya naman natin.
attorney, oh.
Thank you for that compliment, attorney, Miss Ina. Actually, wala po akong makeup. That's tinted sunscreen,
Wow.
eyelashes, and a little bit of glitter sa eyeshadow ko. Kasi I don't have a glam team. So, inaaral ko lang kung paano maglagay ng mga
Pero
ganon.
kinis no? Kahit walang makeup.
Oo. Ano
believe
pong
ako.
secret niyo, ma'am?
Of course, since I'm a doctor, specialty ko po is organic skincare. Because before I became a naturopathy doctor, I am an international cosmetic product developer and innovator. So I innovate and create organic skincare products from different skin problems and ages. So like attorney, if you want to look like 40s, kaya ko yan.
Oo.
So just go to the clinic ko and
Okay.
then I can
Pwede ba
make
yun?
you look younger. Of course, syempre I don't use harmful chemical products. Organic lang po yung ini-introduce ko on my skin because our skin would adapt, which is yung biomimetic, yung parang kilala nila, which is more on natural.
Yes.
So that's why I have a lot of clients, patients talaga na nag-improve talaga yung skin nila from yung mental health nila dahil sa skin problems nila, talaga bumalik yung confidence nila.
Sabi nga,
Si Lorna Kapunan, organic din daw Kaya mukhang sex organ
huy, attorney. Sabi nga nila, di ba, don't panic, it's organic.
Yes.
Ito naman yung next question natin for Queen Joy, na laging
Yeah.
nakangiti. Kasi nga Joy, ang pangalan, very joyful.
Kasi New Year ako pinanganak.
Kaya Joy.
Kaya
Feliz
Joy.
Navidad. Buti hindi Felisa.
Felisa.
O kaya Navidad.
Well, Melissa, Joy Liza. Two
Kasi
names lang.
Felisa. Oo.
Oo. Ito po, I'm sure na marami rin pong katulad ninyong magulang na mayroon pong autism, na may anak pong autism. Ano pong advice ang mai-share niyo po sa kanila?
Being a mother with Down syndrome for 16 years already, marami na akong ups and downs. Pero ang isa sa sigurong pinaka-ma-advise ko sa kanila is acceptance is the key. So, yung bata po, for sure, mga parents po at the early stage, talagang may stage of denial. Like us, wala sa side ng asawa ko, wala rin sa side ko. So, hindi namin alam, hindi namin naintindihan kung ano ang Down syndrome.
Yes.
So, what I did is, while working, nag-aral din po ako, Doc. Nag-masters ako ng SPED so that I can equip myself to be a special mom. Hindi para magturo. It's really,
passion.
empowerment. To empower myself, how I could help my child. So, yun lang. Acceptance is the key kasi hindi man sila minsan matanggap ng society unconditionally, wholeheartedly. Pero yung bata, mararamdaman nila kung kinakahiya nyo sila sa pamilya nyo. So, dapat sa family pa lang, love siya, accepted siya. And that love and acceptance will radiate to the family. So, yun nga, as I said kanina, maraming crowns and such yung daughter ko kasi she's very confident. She never felt na tinago namin siya, ikinahiya namin siya. So, lahat yan, mga casting call, pageants, mga posters, mga most sinasali ko talaga siya kasi I never let her feel na she's different.
Oh,
Thank you po.
Anyway, rapid fire na tayo. And ladies first.
Ano ba yun? Rapid question.
Rapid fire. Ako na muna mag-umpisa.
Sige, ikaw na muna, Tony.
Okay. Teka,
Parang
sino
wala akong
bang
copy nun.
gustong mauna? Raise your hand. Si Dr. Tomo, okay. Ito, mabilisan lang ito ha. Mabilis din yung answer. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Yan. Organic or conventional?
Organic.
Morning or evening workout?
Evening.
Bakit? Bakit evening?
I'm not a morning person.
Kaya pala,
Yes
attorney,
po.
sabi niya kanina, hello, good evening everyone. Kasi mahilig siya sa
Yes, kasi
evening.
gabi.
I see. Okay. One wellness habit anyone should start right now.
Yun, eat healthy.
Ayun. By eating healthy, what do you mean?
But if you eat healthy kasi, it reflects talaga, nagiging healthy yung katawan natin.
So, no processed foods? Ganun ba yun?
Okay lang paminsan-minsan mag-cheat day ka kasi you cannot do it completely healthy naman. So, boring naman yun.
Tama.
Sa pasyente ko kasi attorney, I allow them to do a cheat day.
Ano, once a week? Twice a week?
Yes, it depends to them kung gusto nila once a week. Sa husband ko kasi hindi niya kayang once a week eh. Talagang nagmi-meet talaga siya unhealthy talaga the rest of the day. What I told him, sabi ko, give me 4 or 5 hours a day na healthy lang yung kakainin mo. Like first thing in the morning when you wake up, attorney, mag-inom ka ng 30 ml of like ginger shot or herb
Uy,
shot.
I do that. Turmeric ako. Turmeric and
Yes.
ginger. Oo.
Para mag-jump start yung katawan mo. Pati yung digestion mo gumanda. So magkakaroon ng parang 4 hours or 5 hours na healthy lang yung... Kasi yung katawan natin may self-healing ability.
Pero make sure na naintindihan ng husband mo na yung cheat day sa pagkain yun, ha?
Ay, malinaw na malinaw yan.
Okay.
Malinaw na malinaw yan.
Complete the sentence. A true Mrs. Universe is a woman who...
Who inspire with integrity and with character that helps to have a better world.
Yan.
Yan.
Ina, your turn.
Wala po kong copy.
Wala ka. Pwede bang ipasa ito? Hindi naman nila kita, tayo lang naman eh.
Okay, secret lang,
Ito,
attorney.
pass.
Secret. Pass the
Yan.
message. Sorry, wala po akong copy
Ganun
niyan.
ba?
Oo.
Sobrang rapid, isa lang nagawa nila. No?
Okay, ito naman, rapid fire question for Queen Teresa.
Yan.
Ito, maisingit ko lang, attorney, before I shoot my questions.
Okay.
Pwede pong paki-focus sa kanya yung camera. Parang may kamukha po kayong senador. Just to put
Sino?
that on
Sino?
record, Madam Chair.
Si Risa Ontiveros?
Ay, hindi naman. Mas maganda naman siya.
Oo naman,
Okay.
ang layo. Oo.
Okay. Queen Teresa, save or spend?
Save.
Ooh.
Microphone.
Save.
Condo or house and lot?
House and lot.
Most used app on your phone?
Facebook.
One thing you never leave home without?
My, My car. My car. Kasi mahirap sa amin mag-commute.
Mahirap, ano? One word to describe yourself today?
Resilient.
Atake. Complete the sentence. Beauty becomes meaningful when?
When you share it. When you share it or when you share it.
When you share it. Pwede niyo bang i-share yan sa akin? Pa-airdrop nga. Pa-share naman.
Ituloy mo na kasi nasa iyo na yung rapid fire.
Ito naman ang rapid fire questions for Queen Joy. 3 words that describe Angel.
Kikay, good
didn't expect
answer,
Wow.
and very lovable.
Oh. Mom's toughest job.
Tough love. You want her to learn, but at the same time, after mong mapagalitan, may guilt feelings after, na parang napaiyak mo siya. But you need to teach, to teach yung kanyang, na hindi lahat ng gusto niya masusunod. So,
Yes.
tough love talaga ang, sa lahat ng mga special kids, yun ang ina-apply namin. You love them, so you need to train them with the heart.
Yes, tama naman. Coffee or sleep?
Pwede vote. I love vote, sorry.
Favorite family tradition?
Tradition is we always bring the kids out of town na sa isang place na hindi pa namin na pupuntahan. So it's a tradition namin talaga, nag-vacation kami to build happy memories. Kasi ayun nga, feeling ko hindi ko nagawa ng bata yun with my family. So I make sure ginagawa ko sa mga kids ko this time. If we have the resources naman.
Yes. One word to describe yourself today.
Today,
Ngayong araw.
ngayong araw ba?
This, present time.
Joke lang. Ikaw talaga.
I'm truly grateful to be here kasi again, it's a dream come true na hindi lang yung beauty pageant, pati yung dream ko to, attorney. Maging guest sa
And
talk
I'm glad
show.
you're living your dream. Oh.
Hindi ko rin na-imagine na matutupad ito.
Hindi lang natupad yung dream nyo, kasama pa si Mr. Sex Appeal.
Yes, diba? Such a blessing. So, kasama na to sa core memories ko, attorney, hanggang tumanda ako.
We're happy.
We are grateful to have met you and Ina.
Oh,
Yes,
thank you
so much. And you
Ganun din po kami.
know, Queens, we wish we had more time. Kaya lang isang oras lang po kami. So,
Oo nga eh.
before we finally say adieu, let's give them 1 minute each para
sige.
magbigay ng final message
Yes.
sa ating, inspirational message sa ating audience. Let's start with Dr. Tomo. Tomo.
Tomo. I would like to start the minute by thanking you, Attorney Topacio, Miss Ina, for this opportunity and also acknowledge the presence of my co-queens. Ako, the message lang is that I want to spread talaga more on advocacies at autism awareness and also holistic well-being to everyone. Especially, I wanted to help create a community where the individuals, PWD and autism individuals would have a community or society that they are loved, accepted, and also they are valued by everyone. And of course, holistic well-being, whereas we would take care of ourselves in a natural way para humaba pa ang buhay natin, especially for us that we have autism kids or PW or individual with special needs. Kailangan talaga ng mahaba at healthy buhay para mas magabayan pa natin sila at mas matulungan. So that's my two advocacies talaga that I am dedicated to spread to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. How about Queen Teresa?
Thank you so much for the small talk, for having us here. It is a dream come true to be with Attorney Topacio. Bata pa lang ako, naririnig ko na siya.
So, ibig sabihin, attorney, matanda ka na daw.